Sketch from China.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to take a close look at the classic 40-in-1 multi-game card from a friend from China. Yes, because in China we can buy a lot of these multi-game cards, and for the people who are not familiar with it, in China we have these cards that contains a lot of different games. There are a lot of different versions. I am doing these reviews for quite some time now, and I can tell you a lot of improvements in the last couple of years. So not only if you look at the quality of the shell itself, but for example, as you can see over here, we having battery save function. This is a little bit strange because we having battery save function and there is another technology out there that basically saves the files on a chip. So I'm not a big fan of the battery version because the battery goes dead, you have no save file. So that is something that you need to keep in consideration. At the end, this is the classic 41, so this means, or I'm guessing this is a 40 game multi-game card for a Sega Mega Drive. Very nice, high quality shell. As you can see, the shells are screwed together with these, let's say, I'm guessing these are more like Parkers. But at the end, small PCB board because new technology from the future. Let's test it out and let's see what we're going to get. Or like the multi-card says, go, go, go! Alright, so let's take a closer look at the menu itself, because it's always the question, how does it look? It looks pretty basic. I must say they did a very nice job for a 16-bit system. We are already having here Sonic the Hedgehog 1, 2, Sonic Knuckles 1, so it's the combination card of Knuckles and 1. And we have my favorite game, Sonic Knuckles 3, and even the Sonic 3D Blast. So let's see if we can find the spinball, then we basically have them all. Oh, we're having here already a typo. But if you look at the list itself, it's really not bad. Okay, you're going to tell me that we're having Mortal Kombat 1 and 3, but they left out number 2. That is pretty... Sometimes I don't get it, why they're doing things like that. Ninja Turtles. Alright. Street... Why do they put 2? Oh my god, they... Street of Rage. Street of Rage. And again, another typo. So the collection itself is not bad. Spinball, I'm guessing this is with a Sonic game that we need to put at the first page. So if it comes to the list itself, he totally messed it up who made this list. So let's start with the Spinball and let's see what kind of game it is. Okay, let's see. And as you can see already that I created a save file. And yes, I, let's say, booted off the system, pull out the card, wait for quite some time, put it back in, and it still remembers. And if it doesn't work, it means you need to replace your battery. But for the people who want to know, the save function works. Every time when you resetting your system, it will remember the last play game. It doesn't apply when you have turned off the system, then it goes to number 1. But when you're playing around with it, resetting and want to go to another game, it just remembers the last played game. Fight!
Get over here!
Alright, so this is what you're going to get with the Go 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 40-in-1 Classic. It's a multi-game card, it's a very small multi-game card, but the games itself are not bad at all. I am not the biggest fan of the save function with the battery, because if the battery dies, all the save files are going to get wiped. So it's a unique collection, there are a lot of games that I have never seen before. So this is what you're going to get with the Go Go Classic 40-in-1. Let me know what you think of this. Well, thank you for watching. It would be great to have you here in the Wicked family, so consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next one.